Now, before you get at me in the comment section about the use of the term chickpeas instead of China in the title of this video, just know that I did that solely for the YouTube and Facebook algorithms. And now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get to the salad. Now, I wanted to create a salad using some basic veggies and herbs, stuff that you could get easily in the market. And the different flavors from each of the veggies here are really made pronounced by roasting. So with this in mind, we go in light with the seasoning because we want each of the ingredients to shine through. I'm going to cube some pumpkin and season it lightly with some salt and black pepper, drizzle it with some olive oil and toss it. And repeat that process with some cubed beetroot. Now before you jump out yourself again in the comment section about using my bare hands to do this, just know that there's no tool in your kitchen that could do the job better than using your bare hands. So just make sure that your hands clean and get in there and toss. You're going to lay out the beetroot and the pumpkin, some onion cut into quarters, a few pimentos and a few cloves of garlic. Drizzle it with some more olive oil and place into our oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, your veggies done. You're going to cut up the pimentos. You want to cut up the garlic as well, and using the flat end of your knife, you want to mash it into a roasted garlic paste. And for some fresh herb action, I'm using some Thai basil that I got in the market, but you could use regular basil as well. You want to add your roasted veggies along with the chana to a bowl. Add the basil and toss it lightly. Try to be as delicate as possible so you don't mash up the pumpkin too much. And that is it. Simple but delicious roasted veg salad. Now as is, this is perfect. But if you wanted to go the extra mile, you could add some grilled chicken or some feta cheese to this. I am serving it up on a bed of mustard greens for some green leafy vegetable action. And you might think that mustard greens too bitter, but they actually add a nice contrast to the sweetness you get from the roasted pumpkin and the onion. As always, the full recipe will be posted on eatahfoodtt.com. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.